What's up, what it do? It's your girl T Day, and today, you guys, I am having my New Year's dinner. I have some fried chicken, them black eyed peas for good luck, yes, and some brown rice, and I think I put some parsley on top. Some. I also have my barbecue sauce. Got some Vital water on deck and some regular water on deck. So, with that being said, by my hand, we're going to eat. Unless I just press that, this food. Yes, I just press that. I do pray, amen. Can't wait, because, yes. I know I love my barbecue sauce. Especially this kind. This kind is very sweet. This is the original. Let's dig in. Y'all can have a bite. I love my chicken crunchy. Let me tell y'all. That's good. If you want your chicken real crispy, add some cornstarch to it. Take a bite. And them black eyed peas for good luck, y'all. Here you go. You're welcome. My kids hate black eyed peas, but I'm gonna take at least one bite. At least that one bite. I want more barbecue sauce. That's my favorite barbecue sauce, y'all. So let me know, did y'all go out for New Year's Eve yesterday? Not me. Me and the kids stayed home, celebrated. I ain't trying to get sick. Uh-oh. I did hear a lot of people popping fireworks. So this right here is the real basic meal. I forgot to make the cornbread. I also made some cornbread with this. And I should have had some macaroni instead of rice. But it is what it is. I'm snoring bad too, y'all. This drink right here, bomb. 0 calories too. 0. That's good. I know this about to get posted late. What did y'all cook? Let me know in the comments below. Pretty good. Piece of chicken. Big ol' looking, delicious. I gotta make some cookies in a bit once I finish with this. Once I gotta go get some paper towels. My nose starting to run. Let me get something to drink. Now in the freezer, I thought I had some chicken wings, but I'm like, no, it wasn't. I was so mad. Like, I wanted some chicken wings, but I cut it up. This one kind of looked like a chicken wing, don't it? Here. If y'all are traveling, be safe. Because I know a couple of people that went out of town for the holidays. Dang, I'm so mad I didn't make my cornbread. I get the Famous Dave's cornbread. So fire. Tastes just like Famous Dave's, I'm telling y'all. I'm like, ooh. That barbecue sauce is so good. Oh, dang, man. I'm just so messy when it comes to eating. This is so good. Man, the fact as a kid, I don't even think I used to like black beans either. Come to think about it. But I had to take a bite. About to make some chocolate chip cookies. Oatmeal cream pies. Ugh. These things, it's not good at all. I don't see how my kids eat them things. Pretty good. But I'm looking forward to them cookies. Right out the oven, some cookies. Yummy. It's a little big old piece of chicken. I'm almost done. I'm almost done, y'all. Hold on. Ooh. I need another piece of chicken. Put a little barbecue sauce on there. I didn't even touch that water. I was just thinking some baked macaroni and cheese, some fried chicken, and some pinto beans. Y'all say greens? Some greens too? That would have been so good. But I just went with something very easy and simple. That's really good. Need something to wash that down. Excuse me. That was good. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And make sure you turn on your notification bell and hit that subscribe button. With that being said, peace. Let me get another drink. Stay tuned for more videos to come. Peace out, you guys.